Efo Riro is not only delicious, it's nutritious and healthy. Today I'm making fish version of it, so keep watching and let's get started. First I'm going to cut the hagfish and transfer in my pot. Add my stockfish fillet. Wash and debone my catfish. Chop some onions for seasoning. Then I'm going to add seasoning cubes and salt. Add water, cover and allow to cook on a medium heat.
Delicious.
For my mackerel fish, I will cut and season slightly with all-purpose seasoning. Transfer in my air fryer for 15 minutes. I will go ahead and deseed my bell pepper, which I have washed already. Once I'm done, I will blend and strain excess water with my strainer and set aside. Next, I check on the fish and remove the hagfish and allow the stockfish fillet and dry catfish to cook more. At this time, the mackerel fish is ready. I'm going to remove it and transfer the cooked fish for 10 minutes. I will go ahead and wash my spinach multiple times with salt to avoid sands. Then I will slice, blanch and set aside. You guys, the whole prepping makes the cooking process very easy and simple.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
Once that is done, I will debone my fish. You need self-control here so that you don't finish the fish before cooking the soup.
Delicious.
To make the soup, I will add palm oil in a pot and allow to heat up. Next, I will add iru and crayfish, stir and allow to release the fragrance. Then I will add my blended peppers, stir and allow to fry for a while. As you can see, I did not add any sort of seasoning. The fish stock has enough seasoning cube and salt. So basically, this soup doesn't need too much seasoning. As we all know that bell pepper is already sweet. Iru is also salty and sweet as well, so be careful not to add too much salt. I will also add my fish at this time, stir and allow to fry. Once that is done, I will add the fish stock and the rest of the fish, I mean the stockfish fillet and dry catfish, stir, cover and allow to come to a boil. Few minutes later, I check on it and give it a good stir. Add my prawns as well as my spinach. Add more crayfish. Stir very well to combine. Cover and allow to cook for 3 minutes. And it's ready. Serve and enjoy. You guys, swallow or rice? Tell me, it's just perfect for both. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.